Hello everyone, welcome to Any Knowledge. In this video, I will show you the detailed advertisement of Arunachal Pradesh Public Service Commission. At first, I will show you the total post under different departments. Okay, then I will show you how to apply, when the last date is over. Actually, due to the COVID-19, the last date is extended up to 31st of July 4 p.m. Notification is out. This one you can see on 19th of June. In continuation of the Commission's advertisement number this, therefore the link, due to the COVID-19 lockdown, the link www.appsc.gov.in will be reopened from 21st of June 2020 to 31st of July 2020 till 4 p.m. So you can apply now for this post. Then I will show you the detailed qualification like educational qualification, age, etc. And then we will discuss the syllabus for preliminary examination and as well as for main examination. Okay, examination fees and penalty of wrong answer, all details we will discuss here. So watch the video carefully. You can download this advertisement from the official website www.appsc.gov.in. I will give you the link in the video description. You can apply from here also. And the application process is fully online, and you have to make a OTR, one time registration. Now I will show you how to make OTR. Just go to any browser and website appsc.gov.in. then you can see here already register a new user. Just click on new user. Here the guidelines and instructions are given. Click on proceed button for one time registration. Carefully fill up the correct person details, present and permanent address. In login details section, first create your password for new OTR. After filling up the required information, click save and next, etc. Please read carefully all the instructions given here. Just click on proceed. Okay, here two steps we have to done. The first one is personal details. Here write your first name, middle name, last name, then select your gender, father's name, mother's name, date of birth. Just select from here. Okay, then mobile number, email ID, ID proof. Here list is given: driving license, Aadhaar number, passport, photo ID, employment ID, etc. Choose any one and give the unique number of your ID card. Then marital status, select your state or UT. Okay, Arunachal Pradesh, you can select Arunachal Pradesh if your state is. Then select your, okay, you can select districts from here. Okay, then next one is nationality. After that, category APST or general. Just choose your category. Then are you a permanent resident of Arunachal Pradesh? Yes or no. Then ex-serviceman, yes or no. Regular in service under government of Arunachal Pradesh, yes or no. Just click this all details. Then present address, house number, post office, city, state or UT, district, pin code, etc. You can select from here also. Then pin code, and if your present address is same as the permanent address, then just click on the text box here. Okay, then login details, user ID, your mobile number or email address and password. Give the same password and confirm. Then fill up your CAPTCHA value down. Then click on next. After clicking next, you have to upload your documents in the step 2. This is the full process of OTR. After one time registration, you can apply for the post. Okay, now come to the post. Here name of departments are given and post name is APCS Arunachal Pradesh Civil Service. Total post is 48. Then APPS 19 post, DDMO District Disaster Management Officer 1 post, then Assistant Director of Industries 1 post, Labor Officer 3 post, then Assistant Employment Officer 1 post, CDPO 2 post, then District Land Revenue Settlement Officer 2 post, and Station Superintendent 2 post, and here total post is 79. Okay, now how to apply? To apply for this post, you have to go to this website appsc.gov.in and make your registration OTR for Combined Competitive Preliminary Examination 2020. I already show you how to make your OTR, then you can apply for this job. Okay, now come to the next part. Procedure for holding Combined Competitive Examination. You all know that this is a two-stage examination. First one is preliminary examination, then the main examination. Okay, and the exam dates was given here between these two days, but due to the COVID-19 it is changed and new date will be announced. Okay, now you can see the list of centers and center code here. You can choose when you make online application. Eligibility criteria: the candidates must be between 21 to 32 years on 16th of March 2020, and relaxation will be given as per the government rule. Okay, then the citizen must be a citizen of India, Indian citizen. Hold down. Please download the PDF file and read carefully before apply. Syllabus and other details. You can download the syllabus from this official website, and I will give a link in the description. Here you can see that reservation as per the government rule. Then penalty for wrong answer, there will be 1/3 negative marking, and the preliminary examination will be on objective type multiple choice questions. Examination fee: candidates are required to pay a res 100 rupees for APST candidate and 150 rupees for general candidate through online mode. Okay, last date for online submission 16th of March. Now it is up to 31st of July. Okay, then the plan of examination. APPSC shall comprises of 2 successive stages. Already I told you, preliminary examination it will be on objective type, and the main examination it is written and interview. After qualifying your preliminary examination, you have to sit on main examination and interview. Now we'll syllabus for preliminary examination. Paper 1 it is GS 200 marks, and exam will be on 2 hours. And paper 2 is CSET aptitude test, it is also 200 marks and 2 hours. You have to qualify this paper by getting 33% marks. Okay, each paper will be of 2-hour duration, but the blind candidates and candidates will. Now part B, main examination, written and 5 hours. Here subjects are given. English, you have to qualify in this paper. The marks, total marks is 300 and time 3 hours. Then part B is paper 1 essay 250 marks. Then GS1 250. All papers are 250 marks, and total marks is 1750. After that, the personality test, it is also 275 marks, and your merit list will be published on 2000 based on 2025 marks. Okay, here the list of optional subjects is given. You may choose any subject from here. Each subject will have 2 papers having 250 marks each and 3-hour duration. Then part C is interview test. In interview test, it will carry to 75 marks. Thank you guys for watching the video. If you like the video, please share it and subscribe our channel. Any knowledge. Thanks for watching.